Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Every Day. I'm Taylor, and I'm so glad you're here. Learning English can be tricky, but let's make it fun today. So, what's on the menu? We're going to try a little trick that can boost your speaking in just a few minutes. And hi, Jamie. How's it going?
Hi, Taylor. I'm excited, but kind of nervous too.
Totally normal. And to everyone listening, grab a cup of coffee and relax. We're just chatting here.
Love it. Feels like we're hanging out in the living room.
Exactly. Today, we're going to try shadowing. Ever heard of it?
Shadowing? Sounds spooky.
Haha, not at all. It's actually fun. You just repeat what you hear like an echo. No translating, no pausing, just copy the sounds, rhythm, and tone.
Okay, but what if I don't get half of it?
That's totally fine. Shadowing isn't about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together. Over time, your pronunciation gets smoother and speaking feels natural.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Awesome. Repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently.
Good. Now, I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day.
And one more. Shadowing helps me speak better.
Shadowing helps me speak better. Haha, this is kind of fun.
See? Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Small habit, big results. All right, now that you know what shadowing is, let's try it. Super simple. Listen, repeat, don't stop.
Got it. Listen, repeat, pretend I'm a parrot.
Exactly, but an English parrot. Let's do a few sentences. Repeat after me. I want to get better at English.
I want to get better at English.
Nice. Next, I don't understand everything, but I keep going.
I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Ha! My brain is working overtime.
Yup. Shadowing trains your brain and your mouth. One more. I'm improving little by little.
I'm improving little by little. Hey, that actually feels nice.
Totally normal if it feels weird at first. Your mouth is learning English moves. Your brain is catching the rhythm.
So even just 5 minutes a day, it actually helps?
Absolutely. 5 minutes, 0 minutes. And it's all about consistency, not perfection.
Gotcha. Listen, repeat, repeat. Easy enough.
That's tip number 1. Listen every day. Not just once a week, not just in class, every day. Podcasts, music, TikToks, news, whatever you enjoy.
Wait, I don't have to understand everything?
Nope. Even 30 to 50% is enough. Your brain picks up the sounds, the rhythm, and how people actually talk.
Oh, so I can just walk around cooking or cleaning and still be learning English?
Exactly. Think of English as your background music. Your brain tunes in even while doing other stuff.
Multitasking and learning at the same time.
And here's the best part. Once you're listening, you start using your voice, shadowing. That's how you get stronger.
Listen first, then parrot mode on.
Perfect, Jamie. That's shadowing in action. 5 minutes, twice a day, whenever you can. Small habit, big results. All right, Jamie. Now that we've warmed up with shadowing, let's talk about 5 easy ways to practice English every day.
5 ways, huh? Hope at least one involves snacks.
Haha, not exactly, but these will feed your English brain. First tip, listen every day.
Like, put on music and pretend I'm at a concert in London?
Exactly. Podcasts, songs, YouTube videos, news, anything you like. Don't worry if you get only 30–50%. Your brain is still soaking it up.
Sweet. So I can chill and still learn English?
Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. You're listening, now use your voice. Repeat, match the rhythm, copy the tone.
Got it. I'm my own voice actor now.
Tip 3. Think in English. One thought at a time.
Wait, my brain just did yoga?
Kind of. Start small. I need coffee. The sky is blue. I see a dog. No translating. Later, whisper them out loud. Chat with yourself in English.
Talking to myself. Love it. People might think I'm nuts.
Only if they hear you. Tip 4. Read out loud. Reading silently is fine, but reading aloud trains your mouth, tongue, and brain together.
Like gym, but for my mouth.
Exactly. Short texts, kids' stories, dialogues. Read slow, then fast, then with feeling. Pretend you're an actor.
Broadway while making coffee? Why not?
Tip 5. Use English in daily life. Don't just study, live it. Switch your phone to English, write a short diary, send a quick voice note, join a group, repeat sentences from videos.
Oh, so instead of saying salam to my phone, I say good morning. Nice.
Yep, little daily actions build big habits. Habits make confident English speakers.
Got it. No magic pill, just tiny steps every day.
Bingo. Consistency, practice, small smart steps. That's the secret. All right, Jamie, we're in the home stretch. Let's talk about easy ways to live English every day, even if you're super busy.
Finally. Hope this one means less homework.
Definitely. Less homework, more life. First tip, switch your phone to English.
Oh, so every time I scroll Instagram, I'm learning English? Genius.
Exactly. Words like settings, airplane mode, update, download, you see them enough and they stick. Passive learning, no stress.
So basically, my phone becomes a teacher I actually like?
Tip 2, write a short diary in English. Just 3 sentences a day.
Like, I woke up, I ate breakfast, I survived.
Perfect. Keep it simple. Notebook, phone, or send it to a friend learning English.
Short, fun, fast. I can do that.
Tip 3, record a 1-minute voice message daily. Talk about your day, plans, anything.
Talking to myself again.
Yep, but here's the magic. When you listen back, you catch pronunciation, grammar, mistakes. You fix them next time. Self-teaching, fluency, confidence.
I'm my own teacher now. Love it.
Tip 4, join an English group online. WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Tandem, even reading what others write helps. English comes alive.
Oh, I can stalk learners online and actually learn?
In a good way, yes. And finally, tip 5, watch short videos and repeat sentences. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, pause, repeat, copy the tone and rhythm.
Even just 20 seconds?
Yep, short, fun, effective. Little steps, big impact.
So, the big takeaway?
Here it is. Don't just study English, live it. Phone, journal, thoughts, voice, make it part of life, not a checklist.
Ah, English actually feels like life now.
Exactly. That's when real fluency starts. Small habits, daily practice, living the language.
Got it. Tiny steps, repeat, live it. And maybe act like a parrot sometimes.
Perfect summary, Jamie. That's today's episode.
Thanks, Taylor. Can't wait to shadow some more.
Thanks for listening. Remember, small daily steps beat big occasional efforts.
Try one quick practice today and see how it feels.
See you next time on English Every Day. Keep speaking, keep smiling. Bye.